Welcome to Monday's Market Outlook here at Top Gun Options. Matthew Buckley, the Chief Investment Strategist here at TGO, and futures really green this morning. Market's poised for a very higher opening. Citi beat estimates. A lot of legal issues still surrounding Citi and their earnings, but I guess market's really taken off based on Citi. Big slam of gold futures at the U.S. Open this morning. About $1.37 billion dumped. As we saw, what was that, about a week and a half ago, I told my TGO traders the day after the Fed head spoke, somebody bought $500 million in gold futures. So gold being put all over the place. Very interesting. Goldman came out last week, towards the end of last week, and said their year-end S&P target to 2050 from 1900. That's a pretty big jump in a year-end target out of Goldman Sachs, and they were. It's laughable that they throw these type of estimates out here. Year-end target was 1900, now it's 2050. I mean, anybody can throw darts like that. That's not even close. But big week ahead. A lot of financials reporting this week. We saw Wells Fargo pretty soft last week, and that was very interesting to me because Wells Fargo is really seen as a mom-and-pop bank, right? Small businesses, consumer loans, and mortgages, home equity lines of credit. Very soft, so that doesn't necessarily bode well. But we'll see a lot of financials this week. We'll see Intel, Yahoo, eBay, Google. So a big tech week as well. But I'm watching the financial sector, folks, because many of you know that I believe that financials and transports tend to lead us into and out of badness or goodness, and with Wells Fargo kind of soft, it'll be interesting to see how the other banks do. Now remember, when I say financials, that's a pretty big sector, right? You have everything in there from AIG to regional banks, so a wide swath, because Citigroup and Wells Fargo aren't necessarily the same as a Goldman Sachs, right? So we'll be taking a look at earnings this week. Got a live trading session this afternoon at 1 p.m. Make sure you check your email to register for that. We're going to be trading some weekly options. Had a really good week last week in our weekly options live trading session. Up $2,300 last week. Have a nice bull put spread on the S&P 500 that's already up at the open here, about $900. So I'll see many of you at 1 p.m. for our live trading session. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and make sure you stop back at topgunoptions.com every day to check out my daily market sit rep. So I'll see many of you guys at 1 p.m. We'll see you.